Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Before changing any emissions system, understand the legal risks and regulatory framework that govern diesel vehicles. Removing or disabling emissions controls can violate the Clean Air Act and state laws and may trigger civil fines, administrative penalties, or criminal charges. Tampering typically voids manufacturer warranty, may cause your vehicle to fail safety or emissions inspections, and can lead to registration denial. Always consult applicable federal and state rules, and seek guidance from a licensed attorney or compliance specialist to confirm whether any modification is lawful and what documentation you may need. If your goal is improved performance or reliability, choose legal, emissions-compliant alternatives. Look for 50-state compliant parts, EPA-certified calibrations, or dealer-authorized software updates that preserve emissions controls. Work with tuners who provide written certification and retain diagnostic trouble codes properly so warranty status remains clear. Emissions-compliant exhaust components and filtered delete kit replacements that are certified for off-road use only should be clearly labeled. Keep invoices, part numbers, and certification documents to demonstrate compliance during inspections, resale, or warranty claims, and avoid parts marketed as outright deletes. Take a responsible, documented approach before making changes. Start by contacting your dealer or a certified diesel specialist to review performance goals, emissions impact, and warranty implications. If pursuing a tune or parts, request written certification that the solution is 50-state or EPA compliant and retains necessary sensors and controls. If previous non-compliant work exists, restore factory calibration and emissions equipment, secure receipts for repairs, and obtain a passing emissions test before registration renewal. Maintain clear records to protect legal standing, resale value, and vehicle safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.